Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this outdoor side table out of 2x4 and a patio stone. Let's get started. And to get this project started, you will need two 2x4x8. So the first step is to cut them to the right length. I will use my miter saw for this project, but you could also use a circular saw. And as always, check my description to get the free plans. And once all the cuts are made, this is all the pieces you will end with. I start by assembling two 20 inches long 2x4 to one 16.5 inches long pieces. Make sure you choose the nicest 2x4 for the front of your side table. And don't worry about these print, we will remove them later. I put some fast dry wood glue and I clamp them for 10 minutes. I do this because I don't want to use any pocket hole for this wooden table frame. But I'm still going to use some screw, so the glue will help me for the next step. The screw that I use for my build are GRK trim screw. No pre-drilling and they make a clean finish look. I screw them at a 45 degrees angle and I sink the head into the wood. I put two screws on each hand of the 2x4 and I repeat the same process for both pieces. Once it's done, we're ready to assemble both pieces together using the 4 8 inches and 3/4 long 2x4. I'm doing all this upside down since it's easier with the weight at the bottom, because the pieces stand by themselves. Now, like we did in the last step, I use some wood glue, then I clamp for 10 minutes, then I put 4 screws at a 45 degrees angle for each 2x4, and I repeat the same step for the last small 2x4. Now, one last step in the assembling of our table, I had a centerpiece so the legs will stay straight over the time. Alright, so a quick sanding is needed to prep the surface and also to remove the prints. I now go ahead and I apply some stain. It is an exterior semi-transparent wood stain and the color is called Boathouse. Now that the stain is dry, I need to put the top on it. I made a test last night with two different adhesives to see which one is better. I found out that the construction adhesive like the PL Premium is better than the No More Nail, so I'll go with that one. I first make a dry fit test to make sure everything's aligned perfectly. This is a 12x24 slab that I bought at the big box store. It is way easier than pouring your own concrete slab and much cheaper. This patio stone was only $6. I put the construction adhesive on the top of the wooden table frame, then I put the patio stone on it. And now we can say that we are done. I hope you guys have liked this quick and easy outdoor woodworking project. Make sure you share and subscribe to help me bring you more content. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.